Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Chase Auto account, fast access step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.chase.com and press enter. Once the Chase homepage loads, look for the login button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. On the login page, you will see a field for your username. Enter your Chase username in the designated field. Next, locate the password field below the username. Enter your password in this field. After entering both your username and password, review your information for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in for quicker access in the future, check the Keep Me Logged In option. Now, click the Login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your username or password, use the Forgot Username Password link. Click on that link and follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your information. Once logged in, navigate to the Auto section from the dashboard. You can now manage your Chase Auto account with ease. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable. You may also want to check if cookies in JavaScript are enabled in your browser settings. For further assistance, consider reaching out to Chase customer service for support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.